This is what you call a donor car. Completely rotten. Unfortunately, the bits I need, like battery tray, are not good on this car either. Bulkhead panels shot, but hopefully the metal behind is okay. The servo's still in, so I have to get that off. Roof gone. This is certainly a well-picked car. Slightly disappointing. We have some rust down here. Most of it's good. Same with the scuttle really. Got a bit of surface, and on this flange, but it's a hell of a lot better than what I've got. So I'm still going to chop it out and hope for the best. Up there is the bit I already chopped off last weekend. Here's my patch. So you can see how low I need to go, and ta-da! Rusted in exactly the same place. But it's flat, so I'll just let a new piece in there before I put it in my blue car. We have our donor panel. So it's this curve that was, would have been difficult to make neatly. That problem area is flat, so I can just chop that out, weld a nice piece in. Now to try and get the manifold out. I'm calling it a manifold. Basically, water drains in the scuttle and then should come out of that flap. But on mine, where it's filled with leaves, it's just the water sat in there and then rotted this bit out. So that's nice on this one. So I'm going to very carefully chop out below that line, and then when I get back to the garage, I'll drill out all the spot welds so that I can plug weld it back into my car. Grinding session over. We have a big hole there. There are no A-pillars because they are quite handy to have. Corner scuttle, bulkhead, scrap car.